a stone falls from a balloon that is descending at a uniform rate of 12 meter per second, the displacement of the stone from the point of release after 10 seconds is, and the given value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity, is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. For this question, एक point हमें ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि whenever a particle is dropped from a moving object, then its initial velocity is equal to the velocity of moving object at the instant of drop. जैसा कि इस क्वेश्चन में हमें गिवन है, मान लेते हैं कि कोई एक बलून है and it is descending at a constant rate of 12 meter per second, जिसका मतलब है कि इसकी स्पीड जो है वो चेंज नहीं हो रही है, कॉन्स्टेंटली ये नीचे आ रहा है, और इस बलून से हम लोगों ने किसी स्टोन को ड्रॉप किया है. सो अभी जैसा मैंने बोला कि जब आप किसी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट से किसी पार्टिकल को ड्रॉप करते हैं तो उस पार्टिकल की इनिशियल वेलोसिटी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट के बराबर होती है. तो इसकी भी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी एट द इंस्टेंट ऑफ ड्रॉप, it is equal to 12 meter per second downwards, and here downward direction is considered as negative direction. And the stone, जैसे ही मैं इसको ड्रॉप करूंगा ये ग्रेविटी के कंट्रोल में आ जाएगा, and इसका acceleration due to gravity is g downwards, and the value of g, magnitude of g is 9.8 meter per second square. So we have to find the displacement of stone after 10 seconds. So we can apply S is equal to ut plus half at square, which is equation number second. So by applying this equation, put the values. Initial velocity is minus 12 because downward direction, time is 10 second. Acceleration is also acting in downward direction, so minus 9.8, and the time is 10 second. So after simplifying it, we will get minus 120 minus 490. So here the final value is 610 meter. Remember, minus sign is with displacement represents its downward direction.